I am Trinity and welcome back to my channel, The Unseen AI Approach with VIP Trinfinity. If you are looking to build wealth and secure your financial future, you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into 5 powerful ways you can make money in real estate. So let's get started. Real estate is truly the path to wealth creation and stability. According to the US Federal Reserve, real estate comprises about 30% of all American families' wealth. One of the most conventional and effective ways to build wealth in real estate is by investing in rental properties. Imagine purchasing a property for $250,000 and renting it out for $2,000 a month. That could give you an annual return of about $24,000 per year. And yes, you heard me right. That's about a 9% cash on cash return. Not bad for a steady income stream and paying off your mortgage while building equity. You can easily find amazing rental opportunities and good investment opportunities by connecting with your local realtor. I would really recommend following someone that has already done it. Start researching them. Understand how they started and how they got to where they are now. Really begin to listen and open your ears to the knowledge of the things that you don't already know. Remember, it is all a learning process. Next, let's talk about property appreciation. Over the years and just real estate in general, you will see the common consistency of rental properties and properties in general increasing in value. For example, did you know the average home price in 1940 was $30,600? Could you just take a moment to imagine if you even lived in 1960s and you invested in your first property, what it would be worth today? Now let's fast forward to 2024, and that average price has skyrocketed to over $400,000. Holding on to a property long enough can really pay off when it's time to sell. Imagine your money just sitting where it's at right now, decreasing in value, sitting in the bank. But now it's in the right place, appreciating in value rather than sitting there doing nothing for you. Consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or consider investing with multiple people that you know and trust that also are on the same path to financial abundance and freedom. They own and operate income producing real estate, so you can just put your money to work for you. Since 1972, equity REITs have had an average annual return of 9.72%, which is better than the S&P 500. You can essentially invest in REITs just like you would with stocks. And real estate is definitely more reliable than stocks, making it a very convenient, easy way to get into investing in real estate without the hassle of managing all the people underneath you. Flipping houses is also a really exciting option that definitely sets my heart on fire and something I'm looking forward to invest in my future. This means buying a property, fixing it up, making it sparkle, and then selling it for a lot more. In 2022, the average profit from flipping a home was $67,000. And that might just be a mediocre home. Realize that these statistics are very, very broad. Which different remodels and renovations are giving you the best return on your investment of remodeling, you will be put at ease because you know all of the major improvements are going to pay for itself. These rewards can obviously be very high, especially when your passion and heart is in it. Next, we have commercial real estate, which includes office buildings, shopping centers, and warehouses. These properties usually offer higher returns than residential properties. In fact, a report showed between 2000 and 2022, the average annual return for a commercial real estate property was 9.5%. Investing in commercial real estate can can definitely diversify your financial portfolio and help to manage risks. Now I want to give you the top 8 commercial real estate listing platforms. We have LoopNet, Cruxy, Quantum Listing, Reonomy, Craigslist, multifamily listing platforms. Please feel free to reach out to me. I would absolutely love to plug you into the multifamily listing investment groups that I personally work with. And finally, we have connection and consultation. It's all about who you know and trust. So definitely reach out to someone that knows what they're doing, has done it many times before, and follow their lead. Research the multifamily investment groups, research the commercial real estate investment groups. Let's talk. Let's connect. My VIP real estate consultation Calendly link is in the description below. Let's find the best fit for you today and make your money work for you. Lastly, let's discuss land development. This involves buying undeveloped land and improving it. In places like Maui, this is super beneficial and a great investment opportunity for anyone. This involves getting permits and adding infrastructure to undeveloped lands, and maybe even things like fruit trees. Hawaiian land is so precious and limited, so there's never a wrong time to invest in land here. I definitely recommend, if you have the money, to put it to work for you. Get creative and partner with people that have the same vision as you. Once you've developed this land, you can sell it to builders, or you can even get creative and construct your own properties on it. It can definitely be so profitable and a fun experience. Realize there is a starting point to everything. Do not believe anything is out of your reach. Everything that you desire is attainable. Land development definitely requires understanding of the local laws and requirements and just market knowledge. So connect with your local realtor if you are thinking about purchasing an undeveloped piece of land. The key is to find properties with good potential and prime locations. Just remember, success in real estate takes a lot of patience, a lot of research, and just the absolute desire to learn. So hit that subscribe button, the bell notifications, so you never miss an opportunity to accumulate wealth and prepare your life path for success and financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching the Unseen AI approach, and I cannot wait to continue to build wealth together and create our own life paths full of abundance and financial freedom.